for today's video, it's not so much more. It's not so much focus on the cooking, but the appliance. So for today, what I am making is bully beef. That's what we call it back home. So this is the corned beef, bully beef. I'm making that with I call it whole corn. And this is the brand rice that I use. This is the basmati. I love basmati rice, but the video is more focused on the rice cooker. I purchased this from Walmart years ago. It is so good. And like myself, I have so much boy pitney, a factory of kids. People nowadays now cook, so me teach them to cook. You don't know what end up. Probably when they meet their wife, probably she no cook and them end up cook. I don't know. So I teach my kids how to cook. And for most people, rice, for steamed rice, it is very, very hard. And then people with disability are probably people with arthritis and them something there. Like, it is really, really good. So when it come on to my rice, like my white rice or my seasoned rice, we cook all different types of rice into it. The only thing I don't cook into it is my rice and peas. So if I make rice and peas, I'm definitely go up on the stove top. But if I make like a vegetable rice or this or that, then definitely yes. Can you have a cheese sandwich?
Yes.
Can you? But I'm cooking. You want a cheese sandwich first and then wait like give me 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yes. Hopefully guys you can see this clear. I kind of lower the camera for the sit. My manners, if you don't know the regular intro, wagwan, hope all is you guys. You know to the channel, welcome back to everything Empo, my dear man. So let's get right to this. So that is the Black & Decker. I don't remember how much ounce or what size, let me say years my bike, but I'm gonna show you guys how to use it, what it comes with. So plug in, so it's just so sign. When you plug it in, it's going to light up, and then you just press it down for it to cook, and then when it finished cook, it automatically go up, and then when it sees the yellow, it's keeping it warm. You can still plug it out or choose to leave it in warm. All right, so it comes with this, which is the measurement for the rice. It also comes with a little white piece, like if you want to steam into it, then you have this part right here, but just not too long. So it beat up for sure say years, but it's so good. The inside, wait, what I'd say, like a quart or whatnot, that go up there. So, and then this is the cover. All right, so now I want to see what it looks like. I'm not so good with the camera thing, and so make me know if me and go good, cause I'm gonna do the vlogging thing. Most of that focus on fragrance. So anyway, let's get into it. So whatever brand rice you use. Like I said, I don't normally use this because we use it so long, we know the measurement by heart. I'm gonna normally go by this. So depending, so if you use 1 cup of this, then you use 1.5 cup of water. All right, so I'm going to use 4 cups of these. I'm gonna actually save the rice in the bag for no come. I have a rice, we call it. And if you can see to the side right here, I have a thing. I'm gonna keep my rice in it. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, and oh, let me show you. So see, this is what it looks. So this is the 4. So I'm gonna fold it all the way up 4. All right, so that's the 4. Can you see? So this is what it looks like in it. So I'm going to wash the rice. So hopefully guys you are seeing. So the rice, it is washed. Don't know if you can see, but you can see it's wet. I normally do this over the sink, but just to show you guys. So I'm going to use, like I said, the little measuring cup that comes with it. As you can see, it says right here, like it says 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4, and all the way up to the brim is 1. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yes, I'm cooking. 4. And you see right there, I don't see and a half. Cause remember I put 4 cups of the rice into it. So any amount of cups you put into it, just go a half with the next one. So it's finished. Let's open it. You see, that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna give it a little stir. What can you see? So it's cooked. Alright, so I want to fluff it up because the camera there here, so I can't get fit. Fluff it up, so hold on. Alright, so we'll come to the end. So this is what I made, which is bully beef and the cabbage. So it and the rice. See the rice? I'm going to see it better. So you can cook. Even this can, if you have cabbage, like I say, it comes with a little white steamer piece, which part I stand up my can, but I pull the cover now and take it out. But it come with a white steamer piece, so if you want you can even steam your cabbage into it, but this the cook pan the stove, so just the rice I come showing you. So get yourself a rice cooker. It look like enough, but not really enough food for the baby. A boy put them eat enough. Anyway, I ramble long enough. That completes it for today's video, and I'll catch you guys into the next.